What's up, y'all? It's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm about to see if I could sublimate this thing. So it's just a wood cutting board. Got this at more than a Dollar Tree. That's what it look like. It says bamboo cutting board. And I'm about to see if I can sublimate it. So this is the print I'm gonna use. And I'm just gonna tape this bad boy down. I should cut it. I'm about to see if this works. Okay. That's all. Here's this one. What you talking about? Okay, so I'm gonna flip this over. I need some more of this. Okay. This side up. Turn it off. Not right-handed. All right, let's see if this puppy will sublimate. Let's see. I'm gonna let this try to sublimate for 90 seconds. So let's go. Okay, so we're gonna see if this works or not. Girl, release. Okay, outside of me not doing that the right way, it looked like it worked. I don't know what I was thinking. And this is hot, so if you have your gloves, make sure you're using them. It's gonna be cute. Right. Get my gloves. Okay. That's cute. For the most part, it's sublimated. All right. Let me know if y'all gonna try this. Of course, you don't have to use this particular design. I thought it was cute. And yeah, that's all. See y'all later. Bye.